Alright guys, today I am riding a 24-inch thruster. You can buy this now at Walmart. I'm about to touch on this bike. Ready, let's go. Most affordable wheelie bike. About to unbox this box right here. Let's see. A little close-up, Fresh tires. Here's the frame right here. It comes with a thruster pad too. Yo, looking thorough. Alright, bet. Let's get the rest of this out. Alright. Woo. Got the tires, frame, got the bars.
It already has pegs in there.
Does it really? Hey yo, no way. Alright guys, my bike mechanic Henny is gonna build the bike for me. So down there right now, we're using a wrench to take off the zip tie. There we go. That's the method of madness.
It's crossfinger, baby.
Look at that. It came with a thruster pad, as you can see.
On the pedals, it actually says what side they need to go on.
Left and right on the pedals. Make sure y'all on the bars, loosen the bolts, take off the top piece of the stem, and put the bars on, then screw them back in.
The bruh moment.
Big bruh.
Little bruh.
Bruh!
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 Damn, bruh! You get this bike, you either need a wrench or you need a long socket right here. This right here goes all the way in. You gotta make sure you have a long socket to put in here. Feel me? The axle extra long, bro. You also don't want to forget pump some PSI in your bike. Feel me? I'm putting my life essence into this bike right now. Make sure you have 30 PSI at least in your bike. Now we're finally able to take off the bolts so we can put on the pegs right now.
Are you kidding me? They're screw-ons.
Bruh. Top of the line, best wheelie bike to buy. 3-piece crank system, comes with V-brakes, which is really helpful. Comes with pegs, it don't get better than that. And it comes with 3 pads, as you can see. Your question, would you buy this for $180? Clean bike, right? But yeah guys, when I was starting to ride bikes and wheeling, all there really was 20-inch to buy, and that wasn't really good. It's either a 20-inch or trying to buy a SoCal, and they were like $400. Now this is $180. This bike's fully ready. You also want to make sure your front wheel and your back wheel is centered. As you see right now, it's tilted more to the
stem,
left right now.
front rim and the stem.
Yeah, the stem is very key too. See, a lot of variables come into play when building a bike. Just the bolts on the side of the stem, if you have to.
And the top one.
And you never want to tighten the top stem bolt too tight, or else you're gonna snap your bolt. Was it you that snapped your bolt on the top stem before?
Me snapping a bolt? Come on now.
Kenny, what is the logic behind the screwdriver?
So the screws, once you screw it in, the brakes come out. You unscrew it, they go in. Oh, my back hurts.
Make sure you adjust your brake pads. Make sure they are on the rim and not on the tire, or else you guys will start messing up your tire. Alright guys, my bike mechanic Kenny, he just finished building this bike for me. Now I'm about to give it a test ride, see the potential of wheeling it, doing tricks, and true potential of trying to ride the bike.
Seat tilt definitely helps.
It really does. So you stay balanced once you're up in your air. If you ride with a flat seat, bro, you're just gonna like feel weird on the bike. It helps you feel more comfortable. Also getting cool stops for the brake pads help you make your bike feel really good. Trust. You gotta make sure you cop cool stops if I'm gonna be honest with you guys. stop. Definitely a must need. Yeah. I'm not trying to touch on this bike. You feel me? Alright, hopefully I don't die, but let's go. Oh, bro, these brake pads. I need some cool stops, bro.
Look at these, just empty.
Bro, these are just plain stock brake pads, bro. The brakes have been worn in.
Don't be recording me.
Wheelie it.
What do you like about the bike?
Just blue. Blue is cool.
Second man down today.
What I will say is this bike definitely needs better brakes. These brake pads are not that good. Put cool stops on them. Alright guys, so right now I just came back from the bike shop. Came back with these. When I used to ride bikes, I used to cop these. Cool stops. That's V-brake brakes.
Why do I feel like you don't know how to install them?
No, I can install them, but I'll probably have to do a lot of adjusting.
Bro, you have to do this. Because you have to unloosen the brakes anyway. Because they're bigger brake pads, bro. Please do not take that off. Bro, stop. Now you messed them up.
Alright guys, today I am riding a 24-inch thruster. You can buy this now at Walmart. I'm about to touch on this bike. Ready, let's go. Most affordable wheelie bike. Alright guys, that's it for the rest of this video. For the 24-inch thruster, you can buy at Walmart, $180. You can see you can wheelie it. You see that I can touch on it. A good starter bike if you want to learn how to wheelie. But yeah, if you're just starting off, cop this bike. $180 at Walmart. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna have more videos out, more tutorial videos, ride out videos, tips and tricks. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Hope you guys have a great day. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Yes, sir. Peace.